kids, how are you all? Fine. My name is Reka Devi. I am from Appa Public School. I am handling social studies for grade 4. In last session, we have started lesson number 3. What was the name of the lesson? We have started the Northern Plain. The name of the lesson is the Northern Plain. What do you mean by plain? A plain is a flat surface of the earth. What do you mean by plain? A plain is a flat surface of the earth. The northern plain is also known as Indo-Gangetic Plain. What does the other name of northern plain is? Indo-Gangetic Plain. And it is from where to where? Punjab to Assam. It is the northern plain is from Punjab to Assam. And the length of the northern plain is 3,200 kilometers. And the width of the northern plain is 150 meter to 300 meter. The northern mountain is formed by a finest silt of the Himalaya that flow from the Himalaya. The northern plain has been occurred by many perennial rivers. The northern plain has many perennial rivers that flow from the Himalaya. What do you mean by perennial? A river that flow throughout the year. What do you mean by perennial? A river that flow throughout the year is called as perennial. The alluvium deposit by the river is used make the land fertile. The alluvium deposit that flow from the deposit by the river make the land fertile and suitable for agriculture. And the river water is used for irrigation. Okay, what do you mean by alluvium? A silt or clay, a silt or a clay left behind the river. A silt or a clay left behind the river is called as alluvium. What do you mean by irrigation? Irrigation means a supply of water for field to agriculture is known as irrigation. In northern plain, many people settle in northern plain near bank of river or either the river basin. What do you mean by river basin? A river basin is a area watered by a river or its tributary. A river basin is an area watered by a river or its tributaries. What do you mean by tributary? Tributary is a small river joining to large river is known as tributary. There are three major basins. Which are those three major basins of northern plain? One is the Indus River Basin. Second is the Ganga River Basin. And third is the Brahmaputra River Basin. The Indus River Basin. In last class, we even learnt about the Indus River Basin. Indus River Basin is also known as Indo-Gangetic. Okay, and it originates from Tibetan Plateau and it flows through three countries. Which are those three countries? China, India, and Pakistan. And the tributaries of Indus River Basin are Jhelum, Chenab, Beas, and Satluj. These are the tributaries of Indus River Basin. Okay, and Indus, the states that cover the Indus are, which are the states that covers Indus River Basin? Yesterday I have explained you all. Okay, so today we will move on to the other two basins. Move to the other two basins. Which are those other two basins? Those are Ganga River Basin and Brahmaputra River Basin. These are the two river basins. Ganga River is also a national river of India. Ganga River is also a national river, and it is also a spiritual place where the people, which the place Varanasi, in Varanasi. Okay, and Ganga River is located in eastern Himalaya and originates in which Gangotri glaciers in Himalaya. The Ganga River originates in Gangotri glaciers in Himalaya. It is about 2,500 kilometers long and it ends in Bay of Bengal. It ends in Bay of Bengal, and Ganga River is also the third largest river in the world. Next, tributaries of Ganga River Basin. The tributaries of Ganga River Basin are Gandak, Gomti, Gagra, Kosi and Chambal. Which are those? Gandak, Gomti, Gagra, Kosi, Chambal. These are the tributaries of Ganga River Basin. Next, crops grown in Ganga River Basin are sugarcane, rice, jute, wheat and mills. Important cities. The important cities of Ganga River Basin are Agra, Mathura, Varanasi, Lucknow, Patna. Which are the important cities of Ganga River Basin? Agra, Mathura, Varanasi, Patna, Lucknow. Patna is the capital of Bihar. Okay. Next, and in Ganga, the famous the Nalanda University. Okay, it is in Bihar. It comes in Bihar. And in this Ganga River Basin, sugar mills and many other factories have been located in the Ganga River Basin. Next, moving on to the Brahmaputra River Basin. And the Brahmaputra River Basin is also known as Sangpo. Next, it originates in Tibet. Okay, enter India from Arunachal Pradesh, passes through Assam and Bangladesh and end in Bay of Bengal. Its tributary of Brahmaputra River Basin is Tibet. It enters India from Arunachal Pradesh and passes through Assam and Bangladesh and end in Bay of Bengal. In Brahmaputra River Basin, in that region, it gets heavy rainfall and the temperature is humid. Okay, warm and humid. Next, Sundarbans famous for mangrove forest. Okay, next, tributaries of Brahmaputra River Basin are Dhansiri, Lohit, Manasa, Lasa. These are the tributaries of Brahmaputra River Basin. Which are the states that cover the Brahmaputra Basin covers? Arunachal Pradesh, and Assam. And the crops grown are tea, jute and rice. Next, important cities in Brahmaputra river basin are Guwahati and Lakshmipur, Tezpur. Next, some animals are found in Brahmaputra river basin. Which are those? Bengal tiger and rhinoceros and forest buffaloes and many other animals that are found in this region. Okay, shall we revise once again whatever we have learned in this session? Yes, we have learned about Ganga river basin and Brahmaputra river basin. Okay, yes, its Ganga river basin originates from Gangotri glaciers in Himalaya and it ends in Bay of Bengal. And Ganga river is also the third largest river in the world. And its tributaries are Gandak, Gomti, Gagra, Kosi and Chambal. Next, Ganga river basin covers states Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. Next, crops grown are sugarcane, rice, jute, wheat and mills. Important cities of Ganga river basin are Agra, Mathura, Varanasi, Lucknow, Patna. Okay. Next, Brahmaputra river basin or Sangpu basin. The Brahmaputra river originates in Tibet, enter India through Arunachal Pradesh and pass through Assam and Bangladesh, and it ends in Bay of Bengal. And Sundarbans is famous for mangrove forest. And the tributaries of Brahmaputra river basin are Dhanasiri, Lohit, Mansa and Lasa. And which are the cities that comes under Brahmaputra river basin is Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. And crops grown in Brahmaputra river basin are tea, jute and rice. And important cities are Guwahati, Lakshmipur, Tezpur. And Bengal tiger and rhinoceros are the animals that found in this region. We will just go through the map where which river comes. From here the Ganga river flows and ends in Bay of Bengal. Here is the river Gandak and Koti. Here is Gomti river, and from here Gagra river comes and joins river Ganga. And from here the Yamuna river flows. The tributary, from where does river Yamuna originates? It originates from Yamunotri. Okay, and the tributaries of Yamuna river is Chambal, Betwa and Son. Okay, and the rivers that come under Brahmaputra basin are the Brahmaputra river originates from here, Tibet. From here Brahmaputra flows and enters from here Arunachal Pradesh and flows here Assam, Bangladesh and end in Bay of Bengal. And here comes the Mansa river, tributary of Brahmaputra, and here comes Jamuna, and here is Lohit. These are the rivers that originate from the Brahmaputra. That are the tributaries of Brahmaputra river. and through these rivers, the hydroelectricity also is generated. Okay, at the last, I would like to say few words that in this region, many factories are there. They dump the waste in that river. People also dispose drainage water in the river. A river have been polluted because of the what the drainage and the waste they dump in the water. The river have been polluted a lot. As a beginners, we should understand that water is very important for our life. So we should keep in mind that we must not waste water as much as it is possible. So save water, save life. Thank you.